How to fix missing features on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix missing features on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to fix missing features on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Let's say that you open the TikTok application here and there are a couple of features that are still not showing up on your TikTok app. Maybe it could be some music, it could be some stickers, it could be some filters, or maybe some of the missing features. Now, one of the reasons why TikTok does not give you all the features is because it is also geo restricted, and the iPhone users has different features, iOS users have different features. For example, if you're an iPhone user, if you long press on it, you'll also have the option to auto scroll videos, but as for Android, you can see we don't. For iPhone users, you have the option called dark mode, but for Android users, you don't have the option to switch to dark mode. So there's just this kind of restriction between iOS and Android, just because the iPhones has lesser models and developers can work more on it, while Android has so many models in the past year that it's very hard for them to put up with that. However, if you still want to stay up to date with the latest features, all you have to do is always make sure to update the TikTok app. So head over to your Play Store anytime or your App Store anytime, check if the TikTok app has an update. If it has an update, you'll find the update button there, and using that you can update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.